My dear viewers and listeners, God bless you. Peace be upon you. We give thanks to God in every situation. I am your host, Homoeo Dr. Khursheed Baig. I hope that you all will be glad and happy. If not so, I will pray that may Almighty ease your problems. Ameen. I will try in my upcoming videos to present and produce treatment of diseases in Urdu and English, and also from the Greek, homeopathic, allopathic, and spiritual systems of treatments. I hope that you will like my videos. I request your honor to please comment and subscribe my channel so that upcoming videos keep reaching you easily. Let's now turn to today's topic,